see anything.
All my stuff gone. Nothing.
I don't just see anything.
On top Oba market wey burn, Obaseki don set up committee to find out wetin really caused the fire. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don go do check on top Oba market wey burn for the early hours of Monday, 22nd June 2020. The market women leader and some Oba market traders come talk as body take pain them for this thing wey happen so.
The ancestors of the land go intervene because December 2022, when the traders don't shop finish, they go one bucket. This one again, since they get knocked down, they not put fire. Where they got barely 4 days now, 3-4 days, when they enter market, they go set fire. So the ancestors of the land, we don't send to palace. So we they wait for message.
Because Saturday was here, they locked the market early. And this hamburger quarter that got bought, we were the one that went to Oredo to House of Assembly and Oba Palace to protest that they locked Oba market since 3 months and 14 days, which is 3 months and 2 weeks. Then I said we should go that they will open the market. After opening the market, bare 1 week, they came to Hamburger cash fire. Akon made they ask security, Akon fire to enter Oba market. When we said they not open this market on Sunday.
Obaseki come do emergency security meeting to set up investigative panel to find out wetin really happen and how government go fit take support people wey the fire affect. As he talk, say this committee go report within 10 days.
We just finished an emergency security meeting to review the fire incident which occurred last night at the Oba market, and the outcome of the meeting is that we have set up an investigative panel made up of the police, the Directorate of State Security, the Oredo local government, the Federal Fire Service, and the Edo State Fire Service. The Special Advisor to the Governor on Emergencies will also be part of the team. They have 10 days to submit the report, and that report will cover not only the immediate causes of the fire, but also look at in details those people who are been directly affected and recommend and suggest measures that should be taken to help support and rehabilitate them. So I expect that we will, in 10 days' time, be having a very comprehensive report to understand what has happened. I don't want us to speculate at this time on the causes. I think things should be done properly and professionally.
This na the ogbonge tori wey we carry come give una on top Inside Edo today. On top say Obaseki don set up committee to find out wetin cause the fire wey burn for Oba market. Make una remember say na TMC TV na carry this ogbonge tori come give una, and my name na Aisosa Osayende.